ফেমাছ ইয়াতে চাই খুবেই ভাল পাব এই আমাৰ লগত চায়নিকা চ' তেখেতে পানী খুব ভয় কৰে বাট তথাপি ইয়াতে শ্ৰীলংকাত আজি ডে 6 য'ত ইয়াতে এটা মাদু ৰিভাৰ এটা আছে মাদু ৰিভাৰত তেওঁলোকে ধুনীয়াকৈ এনেকৈ ব'টবোৰ এৰেঞ্জ কৰিছে উইথ ড্ৰাইভাৰ এণ্ড আদাৰ ফেচিলিটি লাইক উইথ লাইফ জেকেট শ্বি ইজ ৱেৰিং চ' গোটেইবোৰ ইয়াতে ধুনীয়াকৈ মানে চাইডে চাইডে কিছুমান ফেচিলিটিজ দিছে যাতে যেনেকৈ ফিছ থেৰাপি top of
the baby one corner
okay which one
Oh, I don't know.
okay there is a small baby's
What is this?
kind of lizard only so crocodile or family বুলি কোৱা যায় তো এনেকুৱা বহুত স্পেচিছ আছে যিবোৰ মানে বাৰ্ডছ হওক বা ৱাটাৰ স্পেচিছ বহুত স্পেচিছ আছে ইয়াতে আমি আগলৈ চাওঁ আৰু কি কি দেখা পাওঁ জনাই থাকিম তেনেদৰে ইয়াৰে এই কলা বান্দৰ কলা বান্দৰ আমাৰ তাৰেবোৰ সোণালী বা য়েল্ল' অঁ ইয়াতে কলা বান্দৰ আৰু ইয়াতে কলা বান্দৰ আমি এনেকুৱাকৈ কেইবাখনো ব্ৰিজৰ তলেৰে যাব লাগে ডেট ইজ কল্ড প্ৰপাৰ মেনেজমেণ্ট তেওঁলোকে ইয়াতে একো অসুবিধা নোহোৱাকৈ ৱাটাৰৱেজ আৰু ইফালে ব্ৰিজৱে মানে ৰোডৱে তেনেকৈ মেনেজ কৰিছে চ' খুবেই ভাল লাগিছে দেখি পেলাই ইয়াতে আপোনালোকে যদি আহে সঁচা কথা ক'বলৈ গ'লে এই ৰাইডটো লোৱা উচিত ব'ট ৰাইড কিয়কি নৰ্মেলি আমি তাতে নাৱত উঠোঁ ভাল লাগে কিন্তু ইয়াতে যিটো প্ৰাকৃতিক মনোৰম দৃশ্য এটা আৰু চৌপাশে যিখিনি যেনেকৈ ঘৰবোৰ আছে বা যিমানখিনি তেওঁলোকে ইয়াতে মেইনটেইন কৰিছে খুবেই মনোৰম জেগাখিনি
lot of honeymoon people now they come and take cinnamon that area they use as a gift for family member relation like this leaves we use for oil making cinnamon is a bark the leaves 400 kilo we make a liter bottle of cinnamon oil cinnamon bark we take powder also before tea coffee it's very good from diabetes cholesterol blood sugar weight loss they cut the small plant they take it.
In Northeast Assam we have this cinnamon
Yeah, but this is a different cinnamon.
Obviously variety will be different place wise variety will be different.
And we have a cinnamon Srilankum and India Indonesia have a cinchona cinnamon thick and hard but a lot of Indian people take cinnamon from that area.
So here you plant this one or the column for another bunch
No, but they have growing like a bushes from that area.
Okay.
And they have many of these like this in the forest lot. This is organic we call natural cinnamon.
Okay.
No adding any chemicals and all.
Okay.
And they have one person he will show you how to work that. We call uncle but not our uncle. Not the end of it. Sit down. Take. Like a welcome for you. Cinnamon drink.
Oh,
take it. Sit down.
Thank you so much.
He will show you. Come to close. He will explain.
Cinnamon stick. The person cleaning out layer.
All done by hand, no machine, right? And very few youngers work. Old women and old men they do. Youngers say that is a boring job. That's the outer layer. In Sri Lanka, we not eat. We use proprietary land. Compost. Our Finland, export Mexico, America, Germany. But this other country people they take this part too. In Sri Lanka, we use for compost.
This one first one compost rubbish.
Okay, yes.
Second one cinnamon. A brush, very easy looking massage. The remove open cover.
When you get the brass rod, he even little pressure. Slowly when you rubbing like this, and then very easy to separate it. Take it. Only brass rod, not other metal, because oxidation. And after the wood, we using for firewood. Behind you, that's a wood. Cinnamon is a bark and keep it dry. Here,
Oh,
8 days. This is a real organic cinnamon.
Okay.
When you fresh cinnamon like this with a 1 meter, we export in other country. But demonstration this uncle show this one piece. Real cinnamon directly not smell you. When you have paper, they directly
cat is behind you.
no smell. Smell?
No smell.
No. When you smell come like this, we call organic cinnamon. That's
This
why a
is
lot of
cinnamon.
people interested. Okay. Madam,
No smell.
is no smell?
No. No.
That we call organic cinnamon. That's why interested people. Look.
මේගොල්ලෝ යන කවද හිටියේ? බෝට්ටුවේද?
ඒගොල්ලෝ මෙහෙ ඉන්නේ.
එතකොට ඒ බඩු කියන්නේ
বাড়ি সে কাম করে ফ্যামিলিটা চলিব লাগিব না
অকল এটা ফ্যামিলি থাকে আইল্যান্ড
ওয়ান আইল্যান্ড ওয়ান ফ্যামিলি
One house.
ওয়ান হাউস
It's a boss. අවුරුදු කීයක් ඉන්නා?
Or 50.
50. 50 years. දැන් වයස කීයද?
That's all right.
74.
Second is cooking fire.
ফায়ারউড
This one two pig. This
They make toothpick also.
one cinnamon.
তো বনাই কো দালচিনি তো
Stick packing. This one
এইটা
Filling.
packing.
এসো হুকাব দিব
This only pure cinnamon powder in
This
lot
one
of
here.
good from the cholesterol
This
and
one
weight
com-
loss.
This one compost.
rubbish.
Rubbish. Outside compost. Rubbish. Cinnamon company. Packing.
More other people when you get the weight selling, they are adding to that.
No good.
ওকে
No market. Those people, local people selling. They dry.
The light cinnamon, he, not the market, he is selling for the tourists and local.
බර වැඩි වෙනනේ.
Margarine එකක් දාන්න.
No good quality. Light weight, best cinnamon.
අපි කලර් එක දාන්නේ නැහැ. Isn't it?
Cinnamon oil, how it smell, how strong.
Melody cinnamon oil, mosquito bite, mosquito. Add toothache, this one cotton, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, finish. Headache massage, no ice headache. Outside sore throat, no drink outside. Nose block, 5 doses of basket boiling water, toweling cover, steam.
Inhalation.
steam
Some
bath.
sinusitis also.
Very cool, very hot. This here, very hot. Joint pain, back
Some mother
pain.
father have some arthritis pain, back pain. We use for little drop. When you massaging, after take warm water with the towel, they punching, upload their pain going through. And hotel
Coconut
people
mask.
also use for toilet and bathrooms. Would this smell now tourist complain?
Coconut task, 3 months underwater, hammer, outside, coconut fiber.
3 months underwater.
This is a coir
Fiber,
industry.
coir.
In island people doing. There's a coconut trust. They put it 3-4 months underwater.
that we have in our
Yeah.
place
But
because
this is,
like Sri Lanka northeast Assam or northeast area we have many coconuts no?
yeah. But
so
this industry now going to be dead in Sri Lanka. In the Chinese nylons they come. But in the rural area people use that.
we
So,
have
carpet,
still
carpet.
our place we have this coir industry still going on
Yeah, going on.
we make mat
Yeah, we make
We
also
make,
carpet,
this one-
trusses,
Bags.
mattresses,
Bags.
rooms, yeah. But very strong ropes.
yeah
This, yeah.
yeah
This
they,
one
we
here-
make this one
Yeah, this one here, suicide, no problem.
No problem,
This
correct.
much is stronger.
Very strong cut.
You can try to break it.
সুইসাইড করলেও কোনো অসুবিধা
ඔක
নেই
වේදනාවද?
Out.
මොන වෙලද?
නෑ නෑ.
বনাই দেখুৱাই দিলে আৰু ৰছীডাল
හොදලා උඩ දැම්මම මේ වගේ
ষ্ট্ৰং বান্ধি থৈ দিব লাগিব তোমাক এনেকৈ তেতিয়া ক'তো যাব নোৱাৰা
গুচি যাম মই
ফুফু যাওঁ লেটছ গ' ন
Yeah, okay, then this bank have a small product to some sell products. They will show you. If you want, you can take
চাব পাৰা
লৈ ল'ব দালচিনি
cinnamon for your mother and father, a valuable gift.
This one here, cinnamon powder, cinnamon stick, facial mode,
He
ham
make
mode.
his help
Powder tea,
homemade
coffee,
product.
biryani, stick cooking curry, oil lace, cinnamon soap. This one cinnamon.
Give the price.
Harsi, Hanaka Marsi.
They sell in Sri Lankan 400 rupees. Each
Hundred-
piece.
hundred
Stick,
Sri
oil, powder.
මේගොල්ලන්ගේ ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ තිබුණේ නැහැ.
Yeah.
ඔව් දැන් මේගොල්ලන් මම හිතලා ඉතින් මම ගත්තා.
If you have some Indian currency also you can find to buy something if you want.
বেগটো থৈ আহি পৰিলা
Yeah.
Bag we kept again in the car.
মই
No,
লৈছিলোঁ
the money okay, we will pay that. If you want. There is a
Yeah,
natural product.
how much this one?
One piece 400, each 400.
Sri
each
Lankan
400.
rupees, like a $1.50 like this.
In-
Indian money, I don't know.
No. The problem is in Sri Lanka. What I like the everything, no.
Yeah.
But worst part, the bad and worst part is
It's a
that
dollar.
expectation is a very dollar. Everything they calculate in dollar.
Dollar.
For Indian,
Yeah.
we don't rupee and dollar value vast difference.
But Sri Lanka not.
No, agree.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah,
The dollar in exchange in India, no, they
Yeah.
get good value.
good value.
In Sri Lanka, they good value.
Yeah.
But in rupees and dollar,
Yeah.
no value.
Yeah, because
So
you know,
same. So
Yeah.
I asked him that
Yeah.
rupees and Sri Lanka okay. It's
Yeah.
only 1 rupee or 2 rupee difference.
ඔක
Yeah.
මං කිව්වේ ඒකයි.
But
Yeah.
the expectations is in dollar. No,
Dollar
for
is a
us,
high.
it's paining.
ඒකයි මං කිව්වේ දැන් අපේ බැංකුවේ ගන්නවා නම් ඩොලර් එක 201 or 2
202.
but
Very
outside,
much. So they are
235 like this.
35, 30. Black market given this rate.
yes, obviously.
That's right.
So that's true. That's
Yeah.
a local issue.
Yeah.
But that's the problem. Like we dislike that. But rest is good.
Yeah.
Kuntu.
and this one packet
Made out of this.
Poisonous, no?
But it's very poison, na?
What do you make from this?
poison
Mango খাই আমার মাইনাই
নেচাৰ ফিল লয় চকুতকো মুজি খালি নেচাৰৰে ফিল লৈ থাকে
আমি বহুতখিনি বস্তু চাই আৰু এটা কেভত আহিছোঁ দিছ ইজ ৱাটাৰ কেভ ইন শ্ৰীলংকা মাদু ৰিভাৰ এতিয়া ইয়াৰ হুবহু কেনেকুৱা ফিল হয় দেখা পাব হলিউড বা মুভিবোৰত যেনেকৈ দেখুৱায় স্কেৰী এণ্ড হণ্টেড জেগাবোৰ অ'কে প্লিজ
Okay. Smile, madam. Look. Another one. 1, 2, 3.
আমাকো তুলি দিব দিয়া মোবাইলটো দি দিয়া ৰখাই দিলে নে
শ্ৰীলংকাৰ চ' কল ফিছ থেৰাপি ভৰি তেনেকৈ খুচু 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 কৰি থাকে খুচু 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 ভৰিত খুচু 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 আৰু এইখন ভৰিখন ভিতৰত নিদিয়ে ভয়তে
ইমান অশান্তি লাগে
ফুট দি দেখুৱাম আকৌ খানা দিলে কেনেকুৱা কৰে ছাৰ একেলগে এনেকৈ জপিয়াই দিয়ে এতিয়া এণ্ড হি ট'ল্ড ইটছ এ ভেজিটেৰিয়ান ফিছ ভেজিটেৰিয়ান ফিছ বোলে আৰু লাগে নাইচ
Keep it, madam, close to your leg. They're not biting your leg. No crocodile coming now.
crocodile coming now
Now time to come crocodile. Yeah?
hey, they knows whom to bite na
মই তোমাৰ ওচৰত থাকিম
Still they will hunt you only. ধৰিলে খানা দিয়া তেতিয়াহে ম'মৰ হেৰি কৰিব দিয়া মোক দিয়া
নি নালাগে